Welcome back, guys. This is the last tutorial of the series. After this tutorial you'll be able to solve the cube completely. So in the last tutorial I taught you how to solve the yellow face, and as I said earlier, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to put the edge pieces in their respective positions. Now as you can see, one side is complete, three sides are complete, and these three edges have to be put in the right position. Now hold your cube in such a way such that the complete side is facing you. In this case it's orange, and just look at the color that's present on the back. It's red. So find where the red edge is present. It's not on your left, but it's on your right. So because it's on the right, what I want you to do is right up, right dash, up dash. Then do the same algorithm on the left, that is left, left prime, up prime, left, up. That's it. Okay? Then I want you to do the same algorithm on the right for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same algorithm on the left 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you completely solved your Rubik's Cube. There are other cases when all the 4 edges are not in their respective positions. Let me just do that. Just gonna go ahead and show that. Yeah, in this case you can see that none of the edge pieces are in their respective positions. Now it doesn't matter how you hold a cube. Okay, just do the algorithm once. All the full algorithm, just do it once. Okay, 5 times and 5 times here. Okay, now you'll notice that one side will be complete, and then you can go ahead and do the same thing. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope you learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and tell me where I'm going wrong, if you could not understand anything or something, and I'll try to do it better in my next videos, or help you in the comment. Thanks for watching, guys.